No one is going to tell you this trick. Today I'm gonna show you that how you can activate your Windows 10 or Windows 11 if your window is not activated. As you can see over here, when our Windows 10 is not activated, we are getting a activation error that window is not activated. So let me show you that how you can actually activate your window. The first step is press the window button on your keyboard or search for the PowerShell. Has over here Windows PowerShell. Right click on it and run as administrator. I already run it as administrator Windows PowerShell. Now you have to paste the command over here, which is this. I will put that command into the description so you can actually easily access that command. Now press enter. Now as you can see that administrator Microsoft activation script is running. Now press the corresponding number of Windows. I'm going to press 1. The process of our window activation is started. Now as you can see over here, Windows 10 Pro is already permanently activated, as I have already activated my window through this process. If your window is not activated, then after pressing 1 your window will be activated. And this is the best hack that I have showed you to activate your Windows 10, or whether your window is 11, you can activate through this process. If you like this video, go hit that subscribe button and press the notification bell so you can get latest updates. Thank you so much guys. See you in the next video.